Welcome all in my today's lecture on NCBI. We will learn in detail about NCBI. The full form of NCBI is National Center for Biotechnology Information. The National Center for Biotechnology Information NCBI is a branch of the National Library of Medicine NLM, which is part of the National Institute of Health NIH in the United States of America. NCBI is a leading resource for bioinformatics and computational biology, providing a wide range of services, databases and tools that supports research in the field of molecular biology, genetics, genomics and related areas. Every organizations have their own vision and mission to move forward. Like that, NCBI has their vision and mission. First, we will learn about history of creation of NCBI. The late Senator Claude Pepper recognized the importance of computerized information processing methods for the conduct of biological research and sponsored legislation that establishes the National Center for Biotechnology Information NCBI on November 4th, 1988. As a division of the National Library of Medicine NLM at the National Institute of Health NIH. NLM was chosen for its experience in creating and maintaining biomedical databases, and because as part of NIH it could establish an intramural research program in computational molecular biology. The collective research components of NIH make up the largest biomedical research facility in the world. NCBI's mission about basic research. What is the NCBI mission about the basic research? As a national resource for molecular biology information, NCBI's mission is to develop new information technologies to aid in the understanding of fundamental molecular and genetic processes that control health and diseases. More specifically, the NCBI has been charged with creating automated system for storing and analyzing knowledge about molecular biology, biochemistry and genetics, facilitating the use of such databases and software by the research and medical community, coordinating efforts to gather biotechnology information both nationally and internationally, and performing research into advanced methods of computer based information processing for analyzing the structure and function of biologically important molecules. This is the one of the organization which carry out the diverse responsibilities such as conducts research on fundamental biomedical problems at the molecular level using mathematical and computational methods, maintains collaborations with several NIH institutes, academia, industry and other governmental agencies, fosters scientific communication by sponsoring meetings, workshops and lecture series, supports training on basic and applied research in computational biology for postdoctoral fellows through the NIH intramural research program, engages member of international scientific community in informatics research and training through the scientific visitors program, develops, distributes, supports and coordinates access to a variety of databases and software for the scientific and medical communities, develops and promotes standards for databases, data deposition and exchange and biological nomenclature. As we look the web address of NCBI www.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. Apart from the NCBI, two other things are there in the web address. Those are NLM and NIH. What are these things? It is very important to know about these two. NLM means National Library of Medicines and NIH means National Institute of Health. These two organizations provided the fund to NCBI. Its organizational structure comprises of three parts. First one is Computational Biology Branch CBB, second one is the Information Engineering Branch IEB and third one is Information Resource Branch IRB. CBB conducts basic and applied research in computational, mathematical and theoretical problems in molecular biology and genetics, including genome analysis, sequence comparison, sequence search methodologies, macromolecular structure, dynamics and interaction and structure function prediction, establishes collaborative research project in computational molecular biology with biologists, chemists, mathematicians and computer scientists in NIH intramural laboratories. Other government agencies, academia and industry, consults and advises governmental agencies and research laboratories in the application of computer based analytical tools for studying molecular biology, interacts with molecular biology groups to enhance wet bench laboratory based research through the application of computational and theoretical approaches. IEB performs applied research in data representation and analysis, including the development of computer based system for the storage, management and retrieval of knowledge relating to molecular biology, genetics and biochemistry, designs databases, schema and specification for representation of various forms of molecular biology information, including nucleic acid, protein and structural information. These databases serves as national resources, designs and develops distributed software system from the prototype to operational phases, which provide researchers with both local and remote computational services. Coordinates public access to sequence, genetics, structural and bibliographic information by building curated and integrated databases, and when possible establishes collaborative informatics research projects with NIH intramural laboratories as well as extramural academic groups, consults with and advise other governmental agencies and research laboratories on advanced method of software and database design, develop and promotes standards for databases, data exchange and biological nomenclature. IRB plans, directs and manages the technical operation of NCBI, including the computer system used for research and development as well as the computer system used to access public database, provides technical assistance to NCBI staff and provides support for external users of NCBI network services, supervises network operations for the NCBI and coordinates with other government agencies for both national and international access to NCBI services, organizes educational demonstrations and workshops for the biomedical community to foster the use of NCBI's information services, plans, develops and manages government contacts and cooperative agreements to procure equipment and services in support of NCBI, information functions, services as licensing for user support services to agencies involved in genome projects, performs applied research and development, provides technical consultation and direction and identifies user needs, conducts surveys to evaluate the use of NCBI developed software in the biology user community, coordinate with the governmental agencies and biological information resources to facilitate the development of data repositories at the NCBI. A board of scientific counselor meets twice a year to review the programs and research activity of the center. Researchers at NCBI. How researchers worked in NCBI? Research in the NCBI Computational Biology Branch CBB focuses on theoretical, analytical and applied computational approaches to a broad range of fundamental problems in molecular biology and medicine. The expertise of group is concentrated in sequence analysis, protein structure function analysis, chemical informatics and genome analysis. Research interests further cover a wide range of topics in computational biology and information sciences. These includes, but are not limited to, databases searching, algorithms, sequence signal, identification, mathematical model of evolution, statistical method in virology, dynamic behavior of chemical reaction systems, statistical text retrieval algorithms, protein structure and function prediction, comparative genomics, taxonomic tree, population genetics and system biology. Members of the CBB contribute significantly to the validity and reliability of NCBI's online resources by reviewing the quality and accuracy of the data deposited in the databases, as well as the accuracy of the information used to annotate the data. Members also provide leadership and guidance to the extramural community by planning and organizing scientific consortia to determine the most effective use of public sequence resource for large scale of high throughput experimental biology. Researchers collaborate to define new area of research and identify appropriate computational mechanism to address them. Here are some key functions and services provided by the NCBI. The first one is GenBank. NCBI hosts GenBank, a comprehensive database of genetic sequence including DNA, RNA and protein sequences. GenBank is a critical resource for researcher studying genomics and molecular biology. GenBank is NIH genetic sequence database, an annotated collection of all publicly available DNA sequences. GenBank is part of International Nucleotide Sequence Database collaboration, which comprises the DNA Data Bank of Japan, the European Nucleotide Archive ENA and GenBank at NCBI. These three organizations exchange data on a daily basis. A GenBank release occurs every 2 months and is available from the FTP site. The release notes for the current version of GenBank provide detailed information about the release and notifications of upcoming changes to GenBank. Release notes for previous GenBank releases are also available. GenBank growth statistics for both the traditional GenBank divisions and the WGS division are available for each release. An annotated sample GenBank record for a Saccharomyces cerevisiae gene demonstrates many of the features of the GenBank in flat file format. There are several ways to search and retrieve data from GenBank. Search GenBank for sequence identifier and annotations for entrance nucleotide. Search and align GenBank sequences to a query sequence using BLAST, basic local alignment search tool. See BLAST info for more information about the numerous BLAST databases. You will learn this BLAST in further classes in detail. Search, link and download sequences programmatically using NCBI e-utilities. The ASN.1 and flat file formats are available at NCBI's anonymous FTP server ftp://ftp.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov/GenBank. The GenBank database is designed to provide and encourage access within the scientific community to the most up to date comprehensive DNA sequence information. Therefore, NCBI placed no restrictions on the use of distribution of the GenBank data. However, some submitters may claim patent, copyright or other intellectual property right in all or a portion of the data they have submitted. NCBI is not in position to access the validity of such claims and therefore, cannot provide comment or unrestricted permission concerning the use, copying or distribution of the information contained in the GenBank. The most important source of new data of GenBank is direct submissions from a variety of individuals, including researchers using one of NCBI's submission tools. The submission data are subjected to automated and manual processing to ensure data integrity and quality and subsequently made available to the public. On rare occasions, data may be removed from public view. More details about this process can be found on the NLM, GenBank and SRA data processing. Another resource is PubMed. NCBI manages PubMed, a vast database of biomedical literature. PubMed allows researchers to search for and access scientific articles and publications related to various aspects of biomedicines. PubMed is a free resource supporting the search and retrieval of biomedical and life sciences literature with the aim of improving health both globally and personally. The PubMed database contains more than 36 million citations and abstracts of biomedical literature. It does not include full text journal articles. However, links to the full text are often present when available from other sources such as publishers' websites or PubMed Central (PMC). PubMed facilitates searching across several NLM literature resources through Medline. Then what is Medline? Medline is the largest component of PubMed and consists primarily of citations from journals selected for Medline. Articles indexed with MESH medical subject headings and curated with funding, genetic, chemical and other metadata. PubMed Central (PMC). PMC is a full text archive that includes articles from journals reviewed and selected by NLM for archiving, current and historical, as well as individual articles collected for archiving in compliance with funder policies. PubMed Central is an archive of full text. Here you can get the full text, peer reviewed biomedical and life sciences journal articles. It offers free access to a wealth of scientific literature. Bookshelf. The final component of PubMed is citations for books and some individual chapters available on bookshelves. Bookshelves is full text archive of books, reports, databases and other documents related to biomedical health and life sciences. BLAST. Another resource is BLAST. NCBI provides the BLAST basic local alignment search tool, a widely used bioinformatics tool for comparing and analyzing sequence for DNA, RNA or protein to identify similar sequences in databases. BLAST is valuable for sequence alignment and homology searching. The basic local alignment search tool BLAST finds regions of local similarity between sequences. The program compares nucleotide or protein sequences to sequence databases and calculates the statistical significance of matches. BLAST can use to infer functional and evolutionary relationship between sequences as well as help identify members of gene families. There are several variants of BLAST tailored for different type of sequences such as nucleotide BLAST, BLAST-TN, protein that is BLAST-TP, nucleotide protein that is BLAST-X. These variants use appropriate scoring matrices and algorithms for their respective type of sequences. BLAST is an essential tool in genomics and molecular biology research. It can be used for various tasks including identifying genes, annotating genomes, characterizing proteins and understanding the evolutionary relationship between sequences. Its user friendly interface and widespread availability make it accessible to both bioinformaticians and experimental biologists. Another resource is ENTRACE. NCBI's ENTRACE system is the search and retrieval platform that integrates various biological databases including PubMed, GenBank and more. It provides a unified search interface for accessing diverse biological data resources. ENTRACE is a molecular biology database system that provides integrated access to nucleotide and protein sequences, data, gene centered and genomic mapping information, 3D structure data, PubMed, Medline and more. The system is produced by National Center for Biotechnology Information (NCBI) and is available via the internet. ENTRACE covers over 20 databases including the complete protein sequence data from PIR International, PRF, SwissProt and PDB, and nucleotide sequences data from GenBank that includes information from EMBL and DDBJ. The Entrez retrieval system uses an intuitive user interface for rapidly searching sequence and bibliographic data. A unique feature of the system is its use of pre-computed similarity search for each record to create links to neighbors or related records in other Entrez databases. These links facilitate integrated access across the various databases. An Entrez global query provides search capability for a subset of Entrez databases at one time. Results may be viewed in various formats including flat file, FASTA file, XML and others. A graphical interface provides easy visualization of complete genomes or chromosomes as well as biological annotation on individual sequences. Entrez also allows batch downloads of large search results. Another resource is genome data. NCBI hosts various genome databases including the reference sequence RefSeq databases, which provides curated and annotated genome sequences, and the sequence read archive SRA, which stores raw sequencing data from various high throughput technologies. This resource organizes information on genomes including sequences, maps, chromosomes, assemblies and annotations. Genome Data Viewer GDV. GDV supports the exploration and analysis of NCBI annotated and selected non-NCBI annotated eukaryotic genome assemblies. Currently, over 2310 organisms are available in assemblies. Clinical resources. NCBI offers clinical resources including ClinVar, a database of clinically relevant genetic variants, and MedGen, a resources for medical genetic information. ClinVar is a freely accessible public archive of reports of relationships among human variations and phenotype with supporting evidences. ClinVar thus facilitates access to and communication about the relationships asserted between human variation and observed health status and the history of that interpretation. ClinVar processes submissions reporting variants found in the patient samples, assertion made regarding their clinical significance, information about the submitter and other supporting data. The alleles described in submissions are mapped to reference sequences and reported according to the AGV's standard. ClinVar then presents the data for interactive user as well as those wishing to use ClinVar in daily workflows and other local applications. ClinVar works in collaboration with interested organizations to meet the needs of the medical genetics community as efficiently and effectively as possible. What is MedGen? MedGen organizes information related to human medical genetics such as attributes of conditions with a genetic contribution. MedGen uses the same type of query interface you may be familiar with if you use PubMed or GenBank or sequence databases. In other words, when you enter a term or phrase of interest in the query box, what you enter will be processed to retrieve record that contain or have some relationship to the words you entered. The information is also organized into information categories of fields, so that queries can be constructed that retrieve records only if the terms of interest occurs in that field. If you know the name of the field, you can enter that field name yourself. Otherwise, you can use the limits page or the advanced page to help you build your query. Educational resources. NCBI provides educational resources and tutorials to help researchers and the public understand and use their tools and databases effectively. Tools and softwares. NCBI develops and maintains a range of software tools and applications for bioinformatics and genomics research. All these tools and softwares are available in the home page of the NCBI. This is the home page of NCBI. On the left side of home page of NCBI, you can click on the resource list A-Z to navigate all resources available in the NCBI in alphabetical order, or you may directly search any tools, softwares and databases through search box available on the home page. NCBI plays a crucial role in advancing biomedical research and supporting the broader scientific community by providing access to a wealth of biological data and tools for analysis and discovery. Researchers, healthcare professionals, educators and students regularly use NCBI resources to access, analyze and contribute to the field of biotechnology and life sciences. Now, concluding this chapter with gist of the NCBI informations, you must remember the National Center for Biotechnology Information (NCBI) is a branch of National Library of Medicine (NLM), which is part of the National Institute of Health (NIH) in the United States. NCBI was established in 1988 and is located in Bethesda, Maryland. Its primary mission is to advance science and promote human health by providing access to a wide range of biomedical and genomic information. Some of the key functions of the services of NCBIs are: GenBank is a comprehensive database of DNA sequences from a variety of organisms. Researchers from around the world contribute the gene bank, making it a valuable resource for genetic and genomic research. Next one is the PubMed, is widely used database for biomedical literature. PubMed provides access to millions of scientific articles and abstracts from journals, conferences and other resources. Another is BLAST, the basic local alignment search tool. BLAST is a powerful search engine developed by NCBI. It allows researchers to compare DNA, RNA or protein sequences against databases to find similar sequences, helping in the identification of genes and their functions. Entrej. Entrej is a powerful search and retrieval system that provides access to the various NCBI databases including PubMed, GenBank and many others. It allows users to search across multiple biological databases simultaneously. Genome resources. NCBI provides resources for studying genomes, including the human genome and the genomes of other organisms. This includes tools for genome assembly, annotation and analysis. PubMed Central (PMC). PMC is a digital archive of full text, peer reviewed scientific literature in the field of biomedical and life sciences. It provides free access to a vast collection of research articles. Genome Data Viewer (GDV). This is a web based tool that allows users to visualize and explore genomic data, making it easier to understand the structure and function of genes and genomes. ClinVar. NCBI maintains ClinVar, a database that collects information about genetic variation and their relationship of human health. ClinVar is valuable resource for researchers and healthcare professionals studying the genetics of diseases. NCBI Bookshelf. This resource provides free online access to books and documents in the field of life science and healthcare. It includes textbooks, research reports and other educational materials. PubChem. PubChem is a database of chemical compounds and their activities against biological assays. It is widely used by researchers in fields such as drug discovery and toxicology. In the next chapter, you will learn about the different types of search in NCBI with the help of examples. Thanks a lot.